Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars, the Smart Learning app. Are you bored of reading your textbooks and doing written practice? Well, you can get excited to do something new today. You can check how well you have revised just by a click. Let us first revise some basic rules of spelling formations having IE and EI. IE rule. In most cases, IE is used when the sound E, as in C, is heard in the word. However, there are some exceptions. EI rule. EI is used when the sound A, as in day, is heard in the word. Again, there are some exceptions to this rule as well. There are a few other rules regarding their usages, which you must have revised. Let's quickly have a look at the exception words in this category. Either, weird, protein, there, etc. Now, get ready to check how well you have understood your spelling formations. Attempt this quiz and test your mastery over the topic. Read the instructions carefully. Duration 10 minutes, maximum marks 10. You have to finish the test in 10 minutes. Each correct answer gets you 1 mark. Each question has 2 options, of which only one is correct. Check solution after attempting each question with the explanation. You can view your score at the end of the test. So, let's start. Fill in EI or IE to form a correct spelling of the mentioned word. Number 1. Word R-GNITE. Options IE or EI. The correct answer is EI. The correct spelling is reignite with EI. Number 2. Word BEL-VE. IE or EI. The correct answer is IE. The correct spelling is believe with IE. Third, word ACH-VE. IE or EI. The correct answer is adding IE. The correct spelling is achieve with IE. Number 4, word C-LING. Options are IE or EI. The correct answer is adding EI. The correct spelling is ceiling with EI. Number 5, word R-NDEER. The options are IE or EI. The correct answer is adding EI. The correct spelling is reindeer with EI. Number 6, word V-W. Options are IE or EI. The correct answer is adding IE. The correct spelling is view with IE. Number 7, word F-LD. The options are IE or EI. The correct answer is adding IE. The correct spelling is field with IE. Number 8, word R-NFORCE. The options are EI or IE. The correct answer is adding EI. The correct spelling is reinforce with EI. Number 9, word S-ZURE. The options are EI or IE. The correct answer is adding EI. The correct spelling is seizure with EI. 10. Word R-GN. The options are EI or IE. The correct answer is adding EI. The correct spelling is reign with EI, which means to rule. That's all for today. I hope you must have analyzed the depth of your understanding through this quiz. Stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.